normal sa mag-asawa yung nagkakaroon ng problema. Wala pa silang support system sa paligid nila. So I think isa din yun sa makakapag-fall apart nung marriage.
Wala na nga support system, meron pa silang yung nagbibigay sa kanila ng hindi magandang advice or nagbibigay ng hindi magandang perspective.
Correct.
Instead of trying to work it out, nag-end up na parang selfish yung nagiging reason nila para i-end up yung relationship. So yun yung mga factor. So para sa akin, kapag nandun ka sa situation na parang hindi maganda and you're in a relationship, yan yung mga minsan yung factor na career or love, yung mga ganyan. I know it's difficult. Medyo na-experience din natin yung ganyang bagay, but we were able to work things out, diba? Kasi we want to. So hindi lang it's a matter of parang mamimili ako. We wanna keep the relationship. So parang we prayed, diba? And we did our best to keep it together. And as long as yun nga, siguro nga hindi ka bibitaw, mag-work out din naman. But you wish well. Kasi yan yung mga bagay minsan na hindi mo kontrolado eh. Hindi mo din yan maiisip kasi nasa future yan. But for as long as your intention is good, your intention mo is mag-work out naman together, better for each other, diba? I think hindi naman magkakaroon ng masamang ending.